Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vanilla custard. First, gather your essential ingredients: milk, egg yolks, sugar, and a good quality vanilla extract or bean. You'll also need a saucepan, a whisk, and a heatproof bowl. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving the best flavor and texture for your homemade custard. Ensure everything is ready before you begin. Now, let's prepare the base. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture is light in color and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat your milk with either a vanilla bean or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once the milk is warm, slowly pour a small amount into the egg mixture while whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. Next, transfer the tempered egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan. Cook this over medium-low heat, stirring continuously with a whisk or wooden spoon. It's crucial not to let the custard boil, as this can curdle the eggs. Continue stirring until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once your custard has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. For an extra smooth texture, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.